Hello everyone and welcome to the Big Basket channel. Celebrating big occasions is so ordinary. The real magic happens when we celebrate even the smallest event in life and turn every single day into extraordinary. My daughter's exams are over, which definitely calls for a treat. While small gifts surely are delightful, but adding that personal touch to such an occasion is like a cherry on cake. So today, while we attempt to make this day special, I thought of making her favorite chocolate cake in a healthier way. But before I begin, subscribe to the Big Basket channel for more such unique videos and press the bell icon for regular updates. I create such content exclusively for them, so do follow. The only hard work in cake baking is collecting all the right ingredients in the right proportion. Thankfully, Big Basket is that one-stop shop that always helps me find all these right ingredients, be it for baking or my day-to-day regular cooking. So since we are making a healthier version of cake, I'll start by taking 1 cup of curd in a big bowl. Now in the curd, I'll add half teaspoon baking soda. I'll pour half teaspoon vinegar to activate the soda and it will make the curd nice and fluffy to use. Now to add sweetness, I'll take 1 cup of jaggery and add it to the bowl. Jaggery is a rich source of iron and has multiple health benefits like boosting immunity, improving digestion and much more. So this makes a perfect alternative to sugar. Next, I'll add half cup oil. I'm using olive oil here, which I'll add after mixing the jaggery slightly. Use a whisk to mix everything together. Now in the end goes our last wet ingredient, which is 1/3 cup of milk. Mix everything until well combined. Keeping the wet ingredients aside, I'll now make the dry ingredient mix starting with whole wheat flour. Into this I'm adding cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now sieve this dry mixture as it helps in bringing air into our cake. At this stage, I'll prepare the cake tin and for that, I'll brush the tin with some ghee. But you can even use oil or butter for the same. Once greased well, I'll sift some prepared dry mix powder and coat the tin well from inside. Now let's add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and with the help of a spatula, combine everything well. Remember not to overmix the batter. Once mixed well, preheat your oven to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now pour the batter into the prepared tin. I will also add some chocolate chips because why not? Now this tin goes into the oven for 45 minutes or till the toothpick comes out clean. The cake is baked well and it's time for the toothpick test. Yes, it's clean. And now I'll let it sit till it cools down completely. But alongside, I'll make the quickest chocolate ganache. For the ganache, break some chocolate in a bowl. I'm taking milk chocolate here, but you can take dark chocolate as well. Into this, I'll add 2 to 3 teaspoon milk and some chocolate syrup and microwave this mix for 15 seconds max. Whisk it well and super quick but super delicious ganache is ready. Now it's time to demold the cake. The soft and spongy cake is ready. I'll divide the cake into 2 halves and brush some ganache all over the cake that I have already thinned out with more milk. Assemble the cake and it's time for the final plating. Take the chocolate ganache and just pour it all over the cake. To make it look pretty and more healthier, I'll sprinkle some dry fruit powder on the edges, which is also a sneaky way to add those healthy fats into this cake. And that's it. Chocolate cake made with simple ingredients from the kitchen is enough to brighten up the day and make it extra special. Do try this chocolate cake and celebrate those small joys with your loved ones. Tell me in the comment section how you like the recipe and what else would you like to see. Subscribe to the Big Basket channel for more such unique videos and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you again.